Wednesday. What? Wednesday one takes. March 19th, 2025. The creek is running well, but lost so much. All of that was dirt and level to like here. Crazy. It's like 4 or 5 feet here, and down there would be like 10, 12 feet. The ducks are in the creek. I love it. They were feeding. I'll let you float. Feed. Get your food. It's okay. I won't harm you. You can become one with nature. Good. Get all those invasive clam species. Good job. Thank you guys. Or, yeah, they're like little clams. But I think they'll eat everything. Crayfish and all those. We have those snails here in Georgia that are invasive. And the duck population, even the moles from the golf course, yes, moles, like Caddyshack. I see them falling out of the holes from the sides of the creek. We have moles. Hi. I won't harm you. I will let you feed. Yes, get your food. big boy in tuxedo in the back, but they cannot get to the creek here on this side. Hope you're well, family, friends, life. Need a friend? You have one right here. Me, DJ Josiah. The Messiah, like, of music. There's only one true Messiah of God, and everything always done and said in video. Just my opinion. Hello, Ian. And my family. Love a subscription, get to 1,000. We'll do more car stuff, but I've been working on prepping my yard and creek. I own all of this. So, I mean, no one owns nature, and really, when you go and God calls you, there's nothing left except your spirit soul. Beautiful ducks. Male, female. Mallard? Yeah? Comment below. I know people enjoy the wildlife video. Coyotes, foxes. I've done an eagle, a hawk. Had a bald eagle. Deer. The deer like to bed in my yard. I talk to them. I've never pet one or touched one because I think, yeah, being one with nature, but not in city limits, shouldn't. Unless you're at a petting zoo or something, right? It's okay. Sorry, guys. I'm just moving my leg. I'm just standing here, but I'm trying not to scare them. They saw me and have seen me this whole morning. Yummy. You just got a big clam. Hi, buddy. I was just showing how close I am. I appreciate the beautiful, wonderful view of you. Have a blessed Wednesday, everybody. You want me to, is it too close? You want me to back up? Can I back up and you won't freak out? I'm backing up. I'm backing up. I'm backing up. It's okay. It's okay. Here, let me back up. It's okay.
Quack, 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 quack.
We'll let them have their day. I just fell in a hole. Hope there's not a snake in there.
Quack, 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 quack.
Yeah, eat. It's okay. I'll back up. You don't have to fly away.
Quack, quack.
Have a wonderful day, you guys. God loves you. But God, as my nanny used to say.
Quack.
Bye. Have a beautiful day.